Good morning, everybody. Beautiful, vibrant, colorful photo here. This was taken over the weekend, the Grand Haven sunset by Nick Bromley. And you can see the pier head there. The lighthouse is back a little further on the pier. And as that sun kind of sinks, it almost appears to sink into Lake Michigan. And it looks like, almost like, I know that's water that you see there. It almost looks like there's steam coming off that. Of course, that's not really happening, but that's the way it looks like. Beautiful, colorful shot there. I just put that on my Facebook page if you want to take a closer look at it. Kevin Craig Fox 17. If Twitter or Instagram are your thing, the handle is at Fox Weatherman. We do have high pressure that's pushing off to the east, so that's losing its grip. We've got mainly cloudy skies out there right now in a lot of locations, so I think we start cloudy, but we'll see increasing amounts of sunshine as we head on through the day, especially from Grand Rapids down to the south. This low pressure system is going to move our way. This warm front will lift on through the area, and there's lots of warm air on the other side of this front, and as that lifts on through, our temperatures will make probably the low to mid 60s today, and tomorrow we'll be squarely into what we refer to as the warm sector. So having said that, we'll probably be up around 80 degrees, and that's not the first time this season. We've already hit in many locations, we've had an 80-degree temperature, so that'll be the second time we've hit that. As we look at live Doppler radar, you see a little bit of green, a little bit of blue. We could see a drop or flake here across Ottawa County off to the north. It wouldn't be much at all if we see it. This is falling from a mid-level deck of clouds around 10,000 feet, and there's a dry atmosphere as it falls down around, it has to fall through that atmosphere of about 10,000 feet, and it's pretty dry. So a lot of it just kind of poof, evaporates as it makes its way to the ground. But you can see there looks like a fair amount of moisture out there. What is making it to the ground would be further to the north and then off here to the north and west around Minneapolis. But most of our day here going to be dry, except for possibly a drop or flake this morning, but that would be it. We're 33 in Big Rapids right now, 36 in White Cloud, 37 in Fremont. Grand Rapids is 37 degrees. Belding, hello to you folks there. You're 35. We're 40 at the Battle Creek Airport, 39 in Kalamazoo, and further to the south, we're in the upper 30s to around the 40-degree mark. That's about where we should be for this time of the year, this time of the morning. So we'll start with some cloud cover. I think we break out into a little more sunshine, especially from Grand Rapids southward as we head on through the day. I'll call it partly cloudy to partly sunny. It's going to be breezy and mild. Temperatures around 64 for the high, with an east to turning southeast wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. If you look at future track, you can see the cloud cover in here this morning. We go on through the day. We tend to break some of that up. This red line here, that's the warm front that's going to lift through here during the overnight hours, and especially from Grand Rapids to the north overnight into tomorrow morning, it could spark a shower or a thunder shower. It's not a for sure thing, but the chance is there. Sometimes that front can be the focal point for showers and storms. Then we've got a low pressure area. There's another low that's going to move along that front. That'll bring up at least the chance of a slug of some moisture here Tuesday night going into Wednesday, and then on Wednesday into Thursday, there's going to be the chance of some scattered showers and some thunderstorms as well. Some of that rain could be heavy at times as you look at future rainfall. Not much here over the next day or two, but as we get into Wednesday night and Thursday, some of us could be approaching maybe about an inch or more of rainfall at that time. So it's over the course of several days, but I think the heaviest rainfall would come in probably, if not Tuesday night, certainly on Wednesday night and Thursday with that frontal system moving through. Breezy, 64 today. How about up to 80 degrees tomorrow, folks? Maybe a nice day to get out, do some selective pruning, cut the grass, wash the car, that sort of thing. Well, if you wash the car, it may get dirty on Wednesday and Thursday, so check that thought there. 80 degrees there on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we're around 70 degrees with more cloud cover, some scattered showers, and maybe a rumble of thunder. And we'll cool it down even more on Thursday. Scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, 61 degrees there, 58 and dry for Friday. And we're back in the 60s for Saturday and Sunday. Look at even the overnight low temperatures the next two nights in the 50s. Far change from where we were last week when we fell into the 20s and we had that hard freeze going on. Let's talk science and Weather Kid here. If you folks haven't heard about this, Fox 17 looking for our next Weather Kid. Every month we'll pick a kid to do a weather experiment with Candace Monticelli. Just head to fox17online.com/contest to enter your child for a chance to win. Coming up on 6